So let me build a simple neural network here. I'm gonna make a typical neural network where x sub 1 and x sub 2 are the inputs, and these are the hidden layers with the summation plus the activation function, and then the activation functions here with a summation sign, and then the output. So it is with the activation functions. Now what if we skip this activation function in the hidden layer? These red neurons are in the hidden layer. If we skip these activation functions, then we don't need this hidden layer. It will be a simple linear model. So a model without the activation function is just a simple linear model. It is a model without the activation function. I hope you got the point. We have already covered it in theory that a model without the activation function is just a linear model. It is a model with the activation functions in the hidden layer. Look, I'm talking about the hidden layer. I'm not talking about here. I'm talking about the hidden layer. Look at here. This x sub 1 is linked with this neuron, and then with this and with this. All the inputs are linked with all the respective neurons in the hidden layer. And then we do summation here. Summation of the input times the weight. Similarly, summation of the input times the weight, summation of the input times the weight with the activation functions. Now, if I skip the activation functions in the hidden layer, I don't need this hidden layer. It will be transformed in a simple linear model. It is without the activation functions in the hidden layer. So we don't need the hidden layer here. If we skip the activation function, it will be a simple linear model.